Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to connect the internal positioning of a Windows tablet. So what I'm going to do is I have my Select GPS Location Source window open, which you can always access by clicking the satellite in the top left corner. And what I'm going to do is you can see my location source is already set to Windows Location Service. And if you don't see that, what you should be able to do is hit the drop down here. You will get a couple of different options or whatever is available for you to connect to. In this case, I only have two options, my Windows Location Services and the uBlocks Virtual COM port COM4. If I click on refresh, I will get an updated list of everything that's available if you don't see that Windows Location Service. But in my case, I'm going to be selecting the Windows Location Service. And once I have it selected here, I'm going to hit connect. And that is going to bring up my position that my tablet believes it at. And you can see I'm at 51 degrees and minus 114 degrees. And you can see if I go to my map screen, you can see I'm located right here in Calgary, which is where I am located. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you connect the Windows Location Service inside of Juniper's Unita. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really just helps out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.